Hey everyone! Big news from USCIS that could make paying your citizenship or immigration fees so much easier. Starting now, you don't have to rely only on checks or money orders. USCIS is moving into the future with a brand new electronic payment option. If you've ever worried about your check getting lost in the mail or about the long wait for processing, this is the update you've been waiting for. Today, I'm going to explain exactly what this change means for you and how it can make your life a little easier during your application process. USCIS has recently introduced a new way to pay your filing fees called ACH debit payments. Basically, you can now pay directly from your U.S. bank account using a secure form called Form G-1650. We posted a link below this video so that you can easily visit the official website. This change is part of a bigger plan by the U.S. government to modernize payments and make things faster, safer, and more secure for everyone. That means fewer delays, less risk of fraud, and less worry about lost checks. Sounds good, right? So, quick question for you. Do you usually pay with a check, or do you like using a credit card? Please comment below. We would like to hear what works best for you. And if this video is helping you, don't forget to hit that like button. It really supports the channel and helps more people learn about these important updates. Now let's explain this. The problem. For years, most USCIS payments were made with paper checks or money orders. This caused delays, and sometimes payments got lost or even stolen. That's stressful when you're trying to complete your application. The solution, with Form G-1650, you can authorize a direct debit from your bank account. It's safe, fast, and reduces the chance of errors. Here's how it works. 1. Fill out and sign Form G-1650. 2. Include it with your application, petition, or request. 3. Make sure your bank account has enough funds to cover your fees. And don't worry, if you don't have a U.S. bank account, you can still use Form G-1450 to pay by credit card, including prepaid credit cards. Important dates to remember. USCIS will accept checks, money orders, credit cards, and ACH payments until October 28, 2025. After that, you'll only be able to pay with ACH debit or credit card. How this helps employers and U.S. businesses that hire foreign workers through the new system. Fewer delays from lost or rejected payments. Faster confirmation that fees are paid so hiring stays on schedule. Easier tracking of multiple applications for workers. Companies may start using the new digital payment system now. If they keep using paper checks, they may face delays. So, what is the benefit? Paying your USCIS fees is now simpler, safer, and faster. Take advantage of Form G-1650. If you have a U.S. bank account, it really can make the process less stressful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends or family who are applying for U.S. citizenship or other immigration benefits. And remember, every step you take, even learning about updates like this, brings you closer to your goal of becoming a U.S. citizen. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.